Welcome everyone. We are discussing integration of trigonometric function. Today I will discuss integration of trigonometric function of type integration tan to the power mx sec to the power 2nx dx. So power of sec is even. So put tan x equals to power of sec is even. Number 2, cot to the power mx cosec to the power 2nx dx. So power of cosec is even. Put cot x equals to z. So these are simple problem for board. So application tan to the power nx sec to the power 4x dx. So power of sec is even. So transformation is tan x equals to z. So put tan x equals to z. So sec square x dx equals to dz. So 1 sec square x, this is equal to dz. So we can write the problem sec square x into sec square x dx. For this sec square x, we put dz. So you express this sec square x in terms of tan sec to the power 4x dx. So z to the power 5, 1 plus z square. So our main aim is to put the integrand in terms of standard form. Now this is standard. So z to the power 5, z to the power 7 dz. So z to the power 6 by 6, z to the power 8 by 8 plus put value of z. So tan x to the power 6 by 6 tan x to the power 8 by 8 plus. So only 2 marks problem. So power of sec is given. Now problem number 2. So sec to the power 4x dx. So no tan, or you can take tan x to the power 0. It does not depend on power of tan. It may be even or odd. So sec to the power 4. So power of sec is even. So we can write it 1 plus tan square x into sec square x. So tan x equals to z. So 1 plus z square into dz, because sec square x dx we have already taken this transformation. So integration of 1 plus z square. So z plus z cube by 3 plus where z equals to tan x. Now problem number 3. Cot to the power mx cosec to the power 2nx dx. If power of cot x is, it may be even or odd, no harm. So this one, power of cosec is even. So cosec to the power 4. So cosec x. So cot x equals to z. Put cot x equals to z. So cosec square x dx equals to minus dz. So this cot to the power 4 x unchanged. This is 1 plus cot square x into cosec square x dx. So meaning remaining same. Cosec square, cosec square, cosec 4. So now you can express it in terms of z. 1 plus z square into minus bz. So minus z to the power 4 plus z to the power 6 bz. So same problem. So minus z to the power 5 by 5, z to the power 7 by 7 into plus c, where z equals to cot x. So these are 1 or 2 marks problem. So you solve fourth one. Exactly same. So you look, if it is even, sec square x even, so cot x equals to z. It will be in terms of tan, or no tan, power of n is 0. Now we consider integration of type tan to the power 2m plus 1x dx, odd power of tan x equals to z, cot to the power 2m plus 1 into x dx, put cot x equals to z. So application 1 to 4. Odd power of tan x equals to z. So problem number 1, tan cube x dx. So this is tan x into sec square x minus 1. So it reduces to tan x into sec square x dx minus tan x dx. Now first one, it reduces to earlier method. Power of tan is anyone, it may be even or odd, and power of sec is even. So put tan x equals to z. So sec square x dx equals to dz. So this is z into dz, and tan x log sec x plus c1. So this is z square by 2 minus log sec x plus c. So put value of z. What is z? Tan square x by 2 minus log sec x plus c. So it reduces to, if power of tan is odd, after one step it reduces to earlier rule. Power of sec is even, power of drop is even or odd. So similarly, you look, if power of tan is even also, suppose tan to the power 4x dx. So you can write it tan square x into sec square x minus 1. So this is problem number 5. Tan square x into sec square x minus tan square x dx. Now first one is of previous form. Tan square x into power of sec is even, and this tan square x, it is sec square minus 1 dx. So it is of previous form. So tan x equals to z. So it is z square into dz minus, this is tan x, and minus minus plus c1. So integration of z square is z cube by 3 minus tan x plus x plus c. Put value of tan x. So tan x to the power 3 by 3 minus tan x plus x plus c. So if power of tan is even, it reduces to the earlier method. Tan to the power even power or odd power into even power of sec. So problem number 1 and 5. Next, odd power of cot. Suppose cot to the power 5x dx. So we can write it as cot x, cot cube x into cos x square x minus 1 dx. So cot cube x into cos x square x dx minus cot cube x dx. Now it is of previous form. So cot x equals to z, cos x square x dx equals to minus dz. So this is minus z cube into dz. Now cot cube x, it is again cot x into cos x square x minus 1 into dx plus. Now this is minus z cube dz, and this is cot x into cos x square x, and this is plus 1 cot x dx plus 1. Now this is minus z cube dz, and this is z into dz, but this is minus dz, so this is minus minus plus, and cot z integration cot z dz plus 1. Now all are in standard form. So minus z to the power 4 by 4 plus z square by 2 log sin z plus c, where z equals to cot x. So if it is odd or even, you can put it in this form: cot to the power any power and cos x square to the power 2mx dx. So cot to the power 4 exactly same that of tan to the power 4. So our meaning is to express the given trigonometric function in terms of standard form. So look, if it is cot to the power 4x dx, this is cot square x, and this one is cos x square x minus 1. So cot square x into cos x square x dx minus cot square x dx. Now power of cot, it may be anyone, but it is cos x square even power, cot x equals to z. So cos x square x dx equals to minus dz. So this is z square into minus dz minus cot square. So known form is cos x square x minus 1. So we do not put transformation to the second integrand because it can be transformed to standard form if you write it in this form. So minus z square dz, so z cube by z, cos x square, so minus cot x, so this one is plus cot x, and this is plus x plus c. Now minus cot cube x by 3 plus cot x plus x plus c. So we can find integration of odd power of tan, even power of tan. All are converted to earlier form. Also we can find even power, odd power. So same procedure, tan x equals to z or cot x equals to z. So today, through this video, we have discussed how to find integration of type tan to the power odd power, cot to the power odd power, and previous one is any power of 10 into even power of sec. Any power of cot into even power of cosec. So, you solve the rest of the problem. Thank you for today.